Hello and welcome back to A Million Bucks Style. Today's video is slightly different. I thought, let me show you how I get ready for all my haul videos. And today I am starting with my hair. My next video is going to be how I do my makeup. I have refreshed my makeup, added some new products, so I thought we'll do a dedicated video on makeup. So in today's video, I will show you how I blow dry my hair every single day. I don't blow dry it every single day, but every 3 days, how I blow dry my hair and get it ready for the shoot. I have no makeup on right now. The makeup video is going to come next, so stay tuned. Also, before we get started, let me first address one of the most asked questions on my channel. Manmeet, what is your hair color? Manmeet, what is your haircut? Okay, first let's start with the haircut. I have a U-shape haircut. I have hair which reaches my chest, and this is what it looks like. I have layers, which basically means that I have steps as far as haircut is concerned. And as far as my bangs is concerned, I have face framing bangs. These are my face framing bangs. I can wear them on one side or I can wear them in the middle, however you want to part your hair. But yeah, this is perhaps the easiest hairstyle ever to manage, and it also looks beautiful, which is why I got it. And I have been getting my hair cut like this since the past 1 year, and you guys have been loving it. It adds a lot of volume to your hair. So, and while my hair is thin, it doesn't matter. It adds a lot of steps and volume to my hair. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can tell. Very pretty. I've been loving my hair ever since I've started cutting it like this, and I also feel that my hair is growing a lot more since I started getting this haircut. I don't know, maybe psychological, whatever. Placebo effect. All right, now on to the hair color. Okay, I get a lot of grays around my crown area. Like literally 3 days after I'll color my hair, I'll start getting grays. And I used to color my hair every 30 days and realized aise to baal bachenge hi nahi, because we're coloring our hair way too much. And also it's a little expensive. So, and I don't color my hair at home ever because I know I'm terrible at it and I will mess it and I will spoil all the other clothes. So I don't color my hair at home. Also now, because I have light highlights and a very light base, if I color my hair, I will not find this base at home. If you have dark hair color, which is easily available in the market, then you can definitely do that. I just didn't want to get into the mess of it. So I go to a salon, I get my hair colored. This time what I did was I got ash blonde highlights, which very easily merge with the rest of my hair when my hair starts to get gray. So it's not as visible as it would otherwise if I have darker hair. My hair naturally has a dark brown color. That's my natural color. So I've kept my natural color intact and just given ash brown highlights, which looks beautiful in the sun. Right now I'm in the washroom. There's only one window, so you can't tell much, but this is what it looks like. You guys can make out. It's right now toned. I just got a hair refresh done, so my hair is a lot less straw-like. It looks a lot more healthier, but it does have gold highlights, ash blonde highlights. Like it's got like 3 colors, so it looks really pretty in the light. And then of course I have a dark base, which is why you guys love my color, because it's so beautiful and elegant, yet it doesn't look like, you know, one of those harsh highlights, and that's why I love it. Okay, now I hope I have been able to answer this question. You can't do this at home unless you are a professional. You have to go to a salon. Just ask them that I want a lighter base. Don't remember the color, but I want a very light base which suits my complexion. Make sure that your complexion and the color that you're choosing suits you. And you want ash blonde highlights that are really thin and they merge with the rest of your hair. Okay, that's all that you have to share. And then of course go through the toning process to make sure that your ash blonde highlights don't look orange, because over a period of time they tend to lose color. This one did not require a lot of bleaching or ruining my hair, and my hair has never looked this healthy, so I'm very happy. And also I take care of my hair. Okay, now on to how we get our hair in this condition from freshly washed hair. Let's get into it. Okay, I thought we'll start with hair because that is something that completely transforms your look. And today I'm not going to use any fancy products. I'm not going to try and sell anything to you. I have a blow dryer, which is a very old blow dryer. This is Urban Nova. I found it on Amazon and it's very heavy duty. I first tried it maybe 8 years ago, and I fell in love with it, and I have changed it every 2 years. It doesn't last more than 2 years, but also doesn't cost too much. I think I paid 700 rupees for this. So if you are looking for a quick drying, very high power sort of a blow dryer, you guys are gonna love this one. My lips are too dry. Give me a second, I'll just apply a little bit of lip balm. All right, I have spoken about this for years. I love the LANEIGE lip balm. This one is the lip sleeping mask, but I use it even during the day because it gives really hydrated lips. This is what it looks like. I have finished a lot of these tubs and it's really good. So if you're in the market looking for a nice lip balm, you should definitely try it. Right now I have zero makeup on my face. So pretty. Anyways, I'll stop blabbering. Let's get into the hair. Okay, so currently my hair is about 70% dry. This is my texture. Let me open it. When my hair is 70% dry, that is when I start doing my hair. I never dry my hair when my hair is completely wet. I'll wait for it and then I apply the one product I absolutely love. Been using it for years. It's a little expensive, but it's so good. This is the Kerastase Elixir Ultime, whatever it's called, who cares? It is the Kerastase serum. Let's say that. You just need one pump. I've already applied it, so I'm not going to apply it again. But all you have to do is put one pump on your palms, rub it a lot, and then just put it on the ends of your hair. So you just basically apply it on the ends. My ends are also already very soft. I will also share what shampoo, conditioner I use because I get asked about that quite a lot. Okay, so I have been using Bare Anatomy's products for what? 5 years now. I think they launched 5 years ago and I have been obsessed. So today I used the Ultra Smoothing shampoo. This is what it looks like. It is very good. I've tried all their ranges except for the one for dandruff because I don't have dandruff. I have tried everything and I like it. I buy new stuff every month when this gets over. And I am currently using the anti-frizz hair mask from Bare Anatomy again. This is what it looks like. Sorry, it's a little dirty. It's been in my shower. This one's almost over. So this is their anti-frizz one. It is really good. Smells divine. This is what it looks like. So I don't use conditioners anymore. I haven't used conditioner in the longest time since I actually found this mask. It is so hydrating and so smoothing for your hair. Your hair looks healthy without anything. But yeah, I will still blow dry it because I like my fronds to be a little more tamed, and today I have to go out in the evening. We're attending an event, so I might as well do this now. We'll figure it out. Okay, बहुत बात हो गई है. Now let's get into it. I am going to section my hair in two parts right now, and I use sectioning clips. The first part is just the crown. We're going to separate it from the rest of the hair. Okay. And I use these plastic clips, sectioning clips. Found them on Amazon. We'll share it with you as well. Now further section your hair into two parts. So this is how I section the rest of my hair. Essay. You have two thick sections. Now I'm going to blow dry this using a blow dry brush. I have two blow dry brush that I use on a regular basis. One is an aluminium barrel. This one, I don't know if it's available. It's a very old one. And this one is from Roots. It is a ceramic plated round barrel brush. This one's also old, but I know for a fact that it's available because I know the brand's name. This one, don't think I know the brand's name, so finding it is going to be very difficult. So we'll use this one today. I'm also going to secure this one so it doesn't come in the way. I'll just twist it and bring it to the front and use another sectioning clip to clip this right here. So pretty. All right, I'm going to blow dry this very quickly. Otherwise, this video is going to turn out to be so long. Okay, this is going to make a lot of noise, so we'll mute it. Put some nice music in the background. Okay, now before I start the noise, I need you to know how I use my blow dryer and what technique I follow. I basically put the brush under the hair and bring the hair forward. My right hand is holding the brush. My left hand is holding the blow dryer, not from the handle, but from the nozzle. This way I can actually go in the direction and make sure that my hair is getting heat equally. So the heat is equally distributed and we get straight hair without having to go over it over and over again. You get the idea? अब इतना explain नहीं कर सकते. Let's get started. I'm not sure if you're noticing what I'm doing with the blow dry brush. I'm actually twisting it every single time I'm bringing it down so that the hair is getting this natural curl in the end. Can you see? That's the trick. So your hair is straight from the front and then it gets a very beautiful curl in the end. Now my hairbrush is quite hot, so I'm not gonna use any heat on it, but I'm going to curl my hair around the hairbrush itself for like literally 30 seconds and we'll let it be. Count till 30 and I will be back in just a second. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I have blow dried it. Now I'm not going to show you the second side also and then all the other sections, otherwise it'll be too long a video, but let's park this in the corner and get started with the second section and quickly get that done as well. Also, the blow dryer basically has a cool shot button, which is this tiny button right here. I don't know if you guys can see this one. So whenever I'm ending the blow dryer, I just want to give it a little bit of a cool shot so the hair sets in the best possible manner. Very quick. Usually when I'm in a rush and I just want to get things done very quickly, I use my Agaro blow dry brush. That's very easy, very convenient, gives you beautiful hair. But today, because I am showing you how to use a simple blow dryer, you don't need to buy anything new. Everybody has a blow dryer in the house. You can easily use it. So that's why I'm doing it. Now, this side is also done so pretty. Okay. We'll keep the hair in the back for now and let's open the other sections now. I'm going to further divide the top section into two parts using just the hair clip itself. Okay, two parts it is. Very messy. It's okay. And now I'm going to secure this back in a bun. All right, now using this one now, I am going to start blow drying it. Let's do it. We'll use the exact same technique. Blow dry brush in my left hand. I will hold my nozzle and then the brush on my right. Did you see how I switched from my right side to my left side? So I do this when I want those curls outward. So I want my bangs to have an outward curl. I want just the front of my hair to have a outside curl, and I'll just hold it for like another 5 seconds or so. Also, I get questions on my bathrobes so often, so I'll leave a wish list in the description and also tag a bunch of my favorites in the video itself. You guys can buy them from Myntra. They're not very expensive. They're all under 1,000 rupees and they are made out of 100% cotton. They wash really well in the washing machine and they look so beautiful. It's almost like you are in a hotel and it's so luxurious. Stunning. Okay, my left side is already done. Hair is dry. If you've noticed, I focus more on the ends than the roots because I don't want my roots to get too hot and then they get sticky very quickly. So I focus on the ends and the roots anyways dry on their own. Quickly on my right side and then I will show you how we finish it all off. Let's open this baby. Okay, I usually do this a lot more quicker because I'm not talking into the camera, but aaj ka din thoda special hai. If you noticed what I did here, I took my hair, for example, I took this and I twisted it, and then instead of opening it, I pulled it, right? Never try this on a plastic or a rubber hairbrush. You'll never be able to take your hair out and then you'll have to cut it. It works only on a ceramic brush and also it works on a stainless steel brush. It also works on a stainless steel brush, so that's why I use these only. I don't use any rubber or plastic brush at all. You'll never find it in my house. Okay, my hair is done. Woohoo! Looks nice. I just need to now flip it over, and what I do is, I'm not sure if I'll be able to share it with you, but let me try it. I will flip my hair over and then just blow dry the ends, the roots, to give it a little bit of volume, and then we'll just open it like that. Okay, let's try that. Oh, okay. See, instant volume. I'm not sure how much of that you were able to see. But ladies, my hair is done. This is how I get ready for our shoots every single day. Hair looks really nice and soft and silky. Lots of shine, lots of volume. Beautiful is the word. Simple, easy, effective. I have obviously aced the whole process of blow drying because I've been doing it for such a long time. It's all about practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a woman perfect. And yeah, this, my friends, gets us ready for our makeup tutorial. Tomorrow I will post that as well, so don't forget to watch that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. You will find all the products in the product tab. Mostly all of them are from Myntra because I love Myntra. Okay, I've got to go now. This was a fun, easy, effortless video. Different than what I've been doing, but yeah, I thought this is also very important because that's a holistic picture I want to paint and interesting. Love it. Gotta go now. I hope you always look and feel like $1,000,000 every single day. And that's a wrap.